Hey there, this is Brad Stevens, and we're about to go on a journey into a new way of extremely profitable social marketing and how we've pretty much automated the entire process and how you can do the exact same thing. Now I'm going to introduce you to Social Suite. This was a software we had developed for our own use, and we have been using it in our own social campaigns. Now before I show you exactly how Social Suite works, I'd like to show you how simple it really is. It's simple drag and drop technology, and by the way, 100% mobile responsive, and this software is 100% compliant with Facebook. We had to get this application approved ahead of time, which means you're okay to use it and we're not going anywhere. Now first, before I show you the software, I want to show you the results we've been able to produce using Social Suite. Okay, if I click on this tab, you'll see that we're inside Facebook. Okay, and then what we have here is a page I built using Social Suite. Now you'll notice this is just like the Shopify store, but instead of being an external website, I've built it within my fan page. Now we ran some right hand side ads and some newsfeed ads to this page, and it's a known fact that Facebook actually rewards traffic sent inside of Facebook instead of traffic going outside of Facebook with lower advertising costs. Not only that, but conversions are higher because people are making their purchasing decisions inside of Facebook and they trust the platform. So you are able to pay less and sell more. Alright, and you guys can see how easy this actually is. Okay, here's the product image, here's our headline, our buy now button, some info on the offer, and a countdown timer for scarcity. Everything that you see on this page was built using Social Suite. Now, when we ran this offer, we actually made, I think, about 270 or just over 270 sales of this item. Now, the way this works is, I know it's advertised as free, but you'll actually go ahead and you'll make them pay for shipping when they check out. So you actually do make a margin on the purchase. Alright, so this allowed us to make over 270 sales for paying less than we would if we were sending the Facebook traffic directly to the Shopify page, because we're paying less per click. So I've logged into Social Suite with a brand new fresh account to show you guys how this all works from scratch. Okay, so you've got your dashboard with your campaigns, but I'm going to show you guys how to create a campaign from scratch. Okay, so let's go ahead and name this live demo. You can name your campaign. And then just below that, you've got all these different templates. Okay, you've got a webinar template pack. So if you're running a webinar, if you want to get people on a webinar directly inside of Facebook, you can do so right here. Opt-in forms. Okay, I've got some amazing opt-in form templates right here. You can click here to preview them and here to select them. Sales pages. The shopping cart. And thank you pages. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this one right here, and as you can see, it goes ahead and it pulls up the template for you to edit. Now what I want to show you is everything you can do with Social Suite. Okay, first of all, it's a drag and drop builder. You just drag and drop the specific element that you want to be added to your page, and you click on this little drop down icon here, and you can go ahead and customize each setting for each element. And then we've got all the different blocks. Okay, so there's a header, a banner element, you can add any image, any video, any custom text, you can add custom raw HTML, you can integrate with an autoresponder, and I'll go through a very cool feature about the autoresponder in just a little bit. And you can add a countdown timer, you can add spacing between your elements, and obviously you can add a footer element. Okay, and what's very cool is each element has their own settings drop down, so you can customize everything about every element, and it really is an amazing drag and drop page builder. Okay, so for this one, it's a video element. We've got our YouTube video right here. We've got the option to go ahead and add a buy now button. As you can see, it's loaded with some amazing templates, the buy now link, and there's also, what's very cool is you can actually add animations within your page within Facebook. Okay, so if you want your buy button to really stand out to your audience, you can select an element, it will save it, and you can go ahead and increase your conversion rate using animations. Okay, and then at the top here, we have got the option to save our changes. We can preview them, which is what I'm going to do right now. At the click of a button, you can go ahead and you can preview your entire new page. Okay, we're back from the preview now, and all you have to do now to install it on your Facebook page is click on Publish. And now that it's published, you just click on Install, and you have all these different options here. The first one is install it on Facebook. The second one is you can embed it in a web page. The third option is you can launch it as a pop-up, so you can actually build your own custom pop-ups within Social Suite. So it's not only for social pages, it's not only for websites, it also has a pop-up builder. If you don't want this page that you've built to be within a Facebook tab, you can go ahead and you can actually export the entire page with HTML and have it as your website, or you can do both. So I'm going to install it on Facebook. Install page tab, click add page tab, and as you can see, it's active. Now I'm going to go to this page and show you it live. Okay, and as you guys can see right here, I've installed the tab live demo, and you can customize what the actual tab is called. As you may have seen on the previous example I showed with the Shopify page, it was actually called free earrings, so it's directly related to whatever you're selling. So as you can see, this is the template we just built. It's got a YouTube video, and here's all the information. Now what's very cool is this is all done within Social Suite with our drag and drop builder within a couple of minutes. So as you guys can see, it's extremely simple. You've got numerous options once you've built your page to either use it as a social page and take advantage of the lower ad costs and increase conversions. You can design a pop-up. Okay, so when people land on your website, the page that you designed will pop up, and you've also got the option to download it as HTML and have it as a regular web page. Another thing that's really cool about Social Suite is we've actually integrated a brand new autoresponder setting where you can go ahead and integrate with any of the popular autoresponders, and then you can schedule your very own automated follow-up series to anyone that opts into your email list. So you can set up an email to go out every single day, trying to get the people who have already purchased from you or given you the email address something else. So you can sell them something that's perhaps more expensive, something that's complementary to what they've opted in for, or for something you've already sold them. So you can continue selling to these people directly from within Social Suite. And then the software also has some very cool settings such as easy retargeting, and we also have a statistics section where you can go ahead and find out everything you need to know about your campaigns.